Today also I will start the chapter integrals. That today is method of substitution. Now, for example, integration of sec square x by 3 plus tan x dx. Evaluate this. Now, put 3 plus tan x equal to z. Therefore, sec square x dx equal to dz, that is differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get this result. Now in place of sec square x dx we put what? We put dz, then dz, and in place of 3 plus tan x equal to z, that is 1 by z dz, that is equal to log z, because integration of 1 by z equal to log z plus c, and putting the value of z, that is 3 plus tan x, so it is log 3 plus tan x plus c. Now the second example, evaluate integration of e to the power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Now let tan inverse x equal to z. Therefore again differentiating both sides we get 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to dz. Now putting this value in place of 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to dz, and in place of e to the power tan inverse x, that is e to the power z, and derivative of e to the power z equal to e to the power z, so integration of e to the power z is equal to e to the power z plus c. Always write plus c because c is an integration constant. Then put the value of z, that is e to the power tan inverse x plus c. This is the result. Now the next example is integration of dx by x plus log x. Now take common x, that is 1 plus log x. Now put 1 plus log x equal to z, that is 1 by x dx equal to dz. Now putting this value in this place we get dz by z in place of 1 plus log x equal to z, and in place of 1 by x dx equal to dz, then that is integration of 1 by z dz, that is equal to log z plus c, and in place of z we put what? We put 1 plus log x, then log of 1 plus log x plus c. And the next example is x cube plus 5x square plus 4x plus 1 by x square. Integration, evaluate this. This is the integration. Now dx, integration of, now separate the function by dividing x square, then separate the function, we get x plus 5, 4 by x, 1 by x square. Now separate all the functions for integration, then integration of x dx, 5 into dx plus 4 into 1 by x dx plus 1 by x square dx. Now in place of this, the integration of this x square by 2, and integration of 1 dx only x, so 5 into x, that is 5x plus log plus 4 log x, that is 1 by x dx, integration of 1 by x dx equal to log x, that is 4 log x plus 1 by x square means integration of x to the power minus 2. Now the formula is x to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1, that is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1, and after doing this we get the result x square by 2. Now integration of this one, this is the integration of this x to the power minus 2. Now the final result is x square by 2 plus 5x plus 4 log x minus 1 by x plus c. Now the next example is x cube plus 5x square minus 4x plus 7 by x plus 2 by root x dx. Now again we separate the functions, all the functions, and in place of 1 by root x means x to the power half, that is it would be 1 by root x, that means x to the power minus half. Now again the same formula, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 in this case, and in this case x cube dx, that means x to the power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1, that means x to the power 4 by 4, then 5x square means x cube by 3, x plus x to the power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Now integration of 1 dx equal to x, that means 4x, and 7 integration of 1 by x means log x, So this is the result, and after the final result is x to the power 4 by 4 plus 5x cube by 3 minus 4x plus 7 log x plus 4 root x plus c. Now the another example, integration of root over 1 plus cos 2x, and we know the formula of 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x, then root 2 cos x this is, and root 2 integration of cos x, we know that the derivative of sin x equal to cos x, so integration of cos x equal to sin x, so the result is root x sin x plus c. Now the next example, integration of x plus 2 whole cube dx. Now doing this, now I am doing that x plus 2 equal to z or 1 plus 0, doing the derivative, that is dx equal to dz, that is integration of x plus 2 whole cube equal to dx, that is z cube equal to dz, that is z to the power 4 by 4, that is x plus 2 whole to the power 4 by 4 plus c. Now this is one procedure, and another procedure is by cubing this. Cubing this, what is the formula? A plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube dx. And now separate the function and do separately the integration. There are two processes for doing this integration.